Hello everyone, I am Aniket Bhatikar, a tech enthusiast from Goa. I am studying class 10 in Mustifan High School. Many a times it is observed that many students and professionals sleep when they are doing some important work. It can be either a student studying late night or attending a meeting, or a professional submitting its work on the last minute. So, to solve all these issues of drowsiness, I innovated an app called Stay Awake. Now, let's understand more about this app. The main scientific principle used behind this app is machine learning. I have trained my model using teachable machine. In my model, there are two classes. One, the active one, and the second one is the asleep mode. Let's understand the flowchart of the app. First, when the app is started, it will ask the user to input a delay time. This delay time will be inputted by user. So basically, this is there to avoid any false alarm. Like imagine a case where a person suddenly bends down or looks somewhere else, and simply the alarm will be raised. So to avoid all these issues, this function is very helpful. Then it will switch on the camera, and it will detect the person using the teachable machine uploaded in the app. Like I showed you this teachable machine. So then, if drowsiness is detected, if it is false, then it will repeat the procedure. And if it is true, means the person is sleeping, then it will wait until this delay time and then play the alarm. Now, let me show you the demo of my project. First, I had made my first prototype using MIT App Inventor, where I successfully tested both the classes of the model, the awake and the drowsy mode. And now then I switched to PictoBlocks. There was some problem regarding this app while loading on the phone, so I made the whole app using PictoBlocks. Now this app can be operated on phone as well, because PictoBlocks also works on mobile phones and other Android iOS devices. So now let's run the app. This is the welcome screen. And now here it is asking us to set the delay time in seconds. As I've said earlier, this delay time will help us to reduce unnecessary alarms or false alarms. So now let's set the delay time to 5 seconds. Here there are different alarm tones to select. This is just an additional feature to make the app look more attractive. This is the first alarm tone. The second one.
Wake up and continue your work.
The third one. So now let's select the first alarm tone. Here it is showing the output, whether the person is active or drowsy. So now as you can see, currently I am in active mode, and suddenly, like if I am doing some important work, like with the help of a laptop or computer, and suddenly I sleep like this, or somewhat like this. So again, if I again fell asleep, it will wait for 5 seconds, because we have set the delay time as 5 seconds, and then raise the alarm like this. So with the help of this app, we can get back to our work easily. Now, I am going to show you the first app which I created through MIT App Inventor. I created this app to identify the drowsy and the active faces. Later, I switched on to PictoBlocks, because while playing the alarm, this app which was created through MIT App Inventor was causing many issues. And due to lack of time, I couldn't solve all the coding issues, because I am in 10th standard and I have boards the next month. But this won't cause any harm to my project, because PictoBlocks can be operated through phones also, iOS devices and Android, and all the electronic devices. So now let's run this app. As you can see over here, I am awake 0.999%, and now if I stay away from the screen, see what happens. The awake percentage reduces and the asleep percentage increases 0.9999.
This is the same PictoBlox version app which I had showed you on the PC, but now it is on the mobile phone. Let's quickly run the app. The app is same. The app is completely same, like entering the digits, setting the alarm tone, and then it will detect the face and then play the alarm.
As I mentioned earlier, this app is mainly for those students and professionals who do their work late night before the deadlines. Currently, this is an application, so there is no cost as such for the project. My app can be installed in the car tablet, but there will not be 100% accuracy. But with this system of installing camera in the steering wheel, the person will be tracked again and again, and the alarm can be raised. So this app can be converted into a software in the smartwatch, where the person can be again and again alerted if it is sleeping by detecting the health condition. I would like to thank Innovator Fest for giving me this opportunity to present my innovative project. Thank you.